love to sing karaoke, chances are you own a karaoke machine such as Magic Sing, Singtrix, and so on and so forth. These karaoke machines are usually very expensive, have very limited number of songs, and will quickly get outdated because millions of songs are released every day. And in order to keep up, you constantly need to upgrade or buy a new machine. Well, by using my innovative ideas and systems that I came up with, those challenges will be solved very quickly. I have created a series of free videos that will help you create a home karaoke system that uses unlimited and free YouTube karaoke music. What that means is that you can sing any karaoke song you want from YouTube for free. You will find the new popular songs almost immediately as soon as they are released, and you do not need to keep spending more money to upgrade your karaoke machine.